Hello, my YouTube friends. Well, here's another Patreon video for you. I'm going to be giving you one every Friday. As a patron on the Patreon channel, A Better Life with Kat, you will get 5 of these videos every single week. Another bonus is that there are no advertisements on the Patreon channel, and I have the ability to answer your questions and comment if I think it's appropriate. On the YouTube channel, you'll notice I just give you a little heart that lets you know that I've read your comment, and I really appreciate it. I just don't have the ability to answer all of your questions on the YouTube channel. So come on over. It's only $5 a month, no advertising, and I think you'll really enjoy it, and we'd love you to be part of our Patreon family. Thanks again for watching, and always remember that you are beautiful. Hello, patrons. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Today we're going to talk about your planner and what you can imagine. The reason I'm talking about your planner is because I'm looking at my planner, and in the beginning of each month in the Erin Condren planner, there are wonderful things to read to yourself. And so this one says, for September, change your thoughts and change the world. For October says, what you're looking for is not out there, it's in you. In November, it says, go the extra mile, it's never crowded. I love that one. December was, your life is a story, write well and edit often. January said, what you seek is seeking you. Aren't these awesome? February said, live what you love. And the one for March is especially intriguing, and the one I'm going to talk about today. And it says, everything you can imagine is real. So I want to talk to you about that today. Everything you can imagine is real. I know that sounds a little out there, a little hippy-dippy, whatever, but it is true. If you can imagine it, you can achieve it. It can become real. What you believe you can achieve, that's the same thing as everything you imagine is real. So if you imagine what your home is going to look like, it can become real. Now, imagine it in realistic terms. Okay, now you can imagine it in crazy terms and it can come real as well. It can become real. You can work toward it. It might take a while, but it can become a show place. But let's just try to imagine it as organized, as clean, as tidy, as shining, as a bright little home or big home that you're proud to bring anyone into. That there's no hidden things in the corner ready to jump out and get your guests. Okay? So that's what I want you to do today. I want you to really try to imagine today. I want you to go through your house, no matter what state it's in, get your planner, or at least a spiral-bound notebook and a pencil or pen, and go through your home, each room, and imagine what that room can be. Do you remember when you bought your home, what you imagined it would look like when you had your things in there? Well, let's get it back to that. So look at the ceiling, look at the walls, look at the floor, look at the furniture, look in the corners, look in the closets. What did you imagine this to be? Or what do you imagine it to be? How good can it be? And that's where you're going to work toward. You're going to work toward it. The first thing you're going to work toward is getting rid of all the clutter. You may think you don't have clutter. You may, but you're not satisfied with your home. Something's nagging. Look again. Look again. Do you have too many things out on your surfaces? Too many books on your shelf? Too much? Too much in the closet? Maybe you need to rethink what you have in there. And the reason I'm saying this is because I just did the very same thing. I didn't think I had clutter. I thought everything was just great in my closets until I got ready to move and show my home. And it was like, oh, I have too many blankets. I have too many bedspreads and comforters and pillows. I have too many towels and purses and shoes. I have too much in the closets. Too many things. Why am I keeping Easter baskets? I don't make Easter baskets for anyone. I thought that I might. I thought I might make one for me and Larry once in a while, or one of my children might want to come over and we'll have an Easter egg hunt. That is not happening. My grandchildren are old. They're not old, but the youngest is 8. Yes, then they do Easter egg hunt, but they do that at their home. They don't do that at my house. Why am I keeping these baskets? That's just one eensy little example. Now I will tell you, having a decluttered home, made it quite easy for Larry and I to go through the entire house in about 3 hours. We did it over 3 days, and we went through the house in about 3 hours, and we totally got it where we wanted it to be. So I want you to imagine that you're in a position like that or better, okay? I want you to imagine that your house is not cluttered, that when you open the drawers, exactly what you think is in there is there and easy to get to and easy to see. When you open the cabinets, everything is on display in there. You know exactly under your sink, exactly where things are. Under your kitchen sink, under your bathroom sinks, in the linen closet. Start thinking about what your house can be. If your house is nowhere near there, it will be. Follow this system, do it every day, and keep that picture in your mind. And remember again what it says, and the quote is, everything you can imagine is real. And I'm going to add, it's just waiting for you. Have a wonderful day, patrons. And always remember that you are beautiful, so be beautiful.